What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up the 6 Disney Hot Wheels character cars based on iconic Disney characters. The first character car is Mickey Mouse with buttons and nose on the red front end, yellow and white wheels with ears and large black ears on the roof. The second character is Elsa from Frozen, whose car is a blue convertible with snowflakes on the sides, shiny silver icicle-spoked wheels, and even a braid of her blonde hair on the back. Number 3 in the Disney set is my personal favorite, the yellow Winnie the Pooh truck with a big green honey pot mixer on the back that you can actually spin. The next character car is the villain Maleficent, whose black car has green windows to match her skin, purple stripes to match her style, and black horns on the roof. Character number 5 in this set is Jack Skellington, who is a long and skinny skeleton drag strip racer painted with his signature pinstripe suit. And finally, character car number 6 is based on Mike Wazowski from Disney Pixar's Monsters, Inc., and his little green alien car has one large window fit for one large eye. So there we have all 6 of the brand new Disney Hot Wheels character cars, and I really like Winnie the Pooh and Jack Skellington, but let me know your favorites in the comments below. If you want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.